Go! Get down! Get down!
Ken, are you out?
Oh my. Yeah, man.
Oh my.
Oh!
You good?
Oh, he gets shut off.
Dang.
Mass execution, bro. Let's go. Don't go past those poles, don't go past those, don't go on the hill, don't go onto the tall grass. We're just gonna play team deathmatch and limited respawns. So, you guys are gonna take the walk.
Okay.
Oh, well, we have very that's why. Hey, look over there.
All right, let's see if let's see if we can get him out. I actually want to test it.
Let's all just go out of that one. You know,
Yep. Here they come.
hey, what's up, y'all?
Hey, we're chilling. Hit! Okay.
Oh, you have to. Is your gun broken? Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with it. That's a rental? Yeah. Current. Just raise your hand.
Yeah. Hit! Dang. Oh, he's out, he's out. Yeah, I see the back right still, yeah. Back left. Oh, dang. How? Oh, she's still in. But I definitely hit him, bro. What? Careful, 2 left.
If he's covered.
I got the guy in the back. Wait, there's still a bunch left. Hey! I'm out! Oh, I see. Oh, we're gonna get rushed left.
And the 2 kids who don't call their hits are on right.
Okay, then I'm staying left.
Look, we're starting.
Get down! Get down! Oh my.
Give me your gun.
Here, can you do this? Marty, can you do this for him? What? No, I can't!
I can do it right now, dude. I gotta
Go over there!
Where's even the spawn, dude? Like, it's crazy.
I'm gonna push up just to here. Do you mind if I grab that there? Mind if I sneak in here? I got nailed in the first.
Oh, my bad. I didn't see you there.
Hey, yo, we gotta move.
All right, let's go left. I'll respawn. All right. Woo! Haha. Oh, I see a guy far right corner. There's a guy in their spawn. Oh, I hit him. No way. Or someone did.
Got it right on tubes.
Are they straight? Got it. Oh yeah, yeah, right there. I see him. I see him. I'm watching left. All right. Hit. The way he's in. I know he is. I saw. I couldn't hit him.
You know what?
Yeah. He's blind
There's
firing
some
full auto.
through the crevice. You can see it being
Yeah.
right from there.
Yeah, he's full auto and blind.
That's what he's doing.
Yeah.
I have a push attack.
Called hit and he just pinged me in the ass.
Yeah, I might push him if you want to like try to ring crack me. I'm probably gonna die.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
One coming straight.
God. Oh my. Man.
Oh my.
Oh.
You good?
Oh, he gets shot off.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm down for that.
No, right side or left?
Oh, I want to go right. I can't. We die every time I'm left. So.
Yeah, I got hit right in the
Whoa. Okay. Actually got him, dang. Yeah, he's out. Good trade. Push.
That hurts so bad.
Go! Yeah, good game, good game.
But dude, there's literally like 20 feet. Right here.
Hey. Straight ahead, straight ahead. Oh, how'd I miss?
Sorry. Great.
Louis, just push right. Get down, get down. Right in front of you. Right in front of you, Luis. Oh, Garrett, one to our left.
Oh, I see him. Right in the crate.
All right. Yep. Oh, straight ahead, straight ahead. Is there anyone at this wall in front of us?
That's somebody.
Oh my god. I think I might just push. How far are they?
They're at the far back.
All the way back. Got it. Thank you. Right here, right here. Hey! Okay. Oh!
Call it. There you go.
Oh, he's out.
Walk right through that. Those buses spawn. Kill all of them.